Hello everyone, welcome to video lectures on circle of curvature. Here you notice one thing that the module 1 syllabus of mathematics 1A paper code PSM 101 for B.Tech courses CSE and IT and mathematics 1B paper code BSM 102 for B.Tech courses ECE, EEE, ME and Civil under Moulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal is exactly the same. So this video lecture on circle of curvature is useful for all the branches CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, ME and Civil of B.Tech first year, first semester. In the last lecture, we have found radius of curvature for different curves of the form Cartesian, polar and parametric. In this lecture, we are going to find center of curvature and the equation of circle of curvature. Center of curvature formula is x bar equals to x minus y1 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Y bar equals to y minus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. If you know the center of a circle as hk and the radius as r, then you can find the equation of the circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now, if we substitute h as x bar, k as y bar and r as rho, then we can find the equation of circle of curvature x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square equals to rho square. Here is a question. Find the equation of the circle of curvature of the following curves y equals to x square minus 6x plus 10 at 3, 1. First, we need to find y1, that is dy dx. Let us differentiate this equation with respect to x. Then we'll get dy dx is 2x minus 6. Now let us put x equals to 3 and y equals to 1 at dy dx. So we'll have 2 into 3, 6 minus 6, that is 0. Now let us find d2y dx2, that is 2 only. No need to put the values of x and y because it is already constant. Now x bar is x minus y1 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. X is 3 minus y1 is 0. So this is 3 only. Y bar is y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. Y is 1 plus y1 is 0, so 1 plus 0 by 2. 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. We know the rho formula is 1 plus y1 square power 3 by 2 divided by y2. So 1 plus 0 by 2, that is half only. Now let us put in the equation of circle of curvature x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square equals to rho square. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 by 2 whole square equals to half whole square. If we expand this, then we will get the equation of the form x square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y plus 11 equals to 0. Next question. Find the equation of the circle of curvature of the following curves y equals to x plus 4 by x at 2, 4. Do this question yourself by the similar way. Another question. Find the equation of the circle of curvature of the following curves y square equals to 4x at the ends of lattice rectum. You see here the diagram of a parabola y square equals to 4ax. This is the curve y square equals to 4ax. And see here, these are the endpoints of lattice rectum and the coordinates of the endpoints of lattice rectums are a, 2a, a minus 2a. If we compare this equation with y square equals to 4ax, then 4a is 4, a is 1. So the endpoints of lattice rectum are 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. Now you find the equation of the circle of curvature of y square equals to 4x yourself. Books you may follow: Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Tezzi, Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Kewal, Engineering Mathematics Volume 1 by Dashpal. Next lecture on evolutes and involutes.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/